Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the key differences between 11 kV and 33 kV power transformers. Whether you're a buyer, engineer, or just curious about how electrical systems work, this breakdown will help you understand what sets these two transformer types apart. Let's get into it. Higher voltage capacity. 33 kV power transformers are capable of handling a much higher voltage capacity compared to 11 kV transformers. 33 kV transformers are typically used for medium to high voltage power transmission over long distances, while 11 kV transformers are more suitable for distribution to end users. Size and cost differences. 33 kV power transformers are significantly larger in size and higher in cost compared to 11 kV transformers. The larger size is required to properly insulate and cool the transformer at the higher voltage. The increased cost is a result of the more complex design and higher quality materials needed. Application and installation. 33 kV power transformers are commonly used in power transmission substations to step down high-voltage transmission to distribution levels. 11 kV transformers are more often used in distribution substations and on utility poles to further step down voltage for supplying end users. Installing a 33 kV transformer requires more space and a concrete foundation, while 11 kV transformers can be pole-mounted. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.